spa is a traditional Japanese technique that we brought into our spa, and it closely resembles a facial to your scalp. So we want to rid the toxins, rebalance your lipids, and help bring a centering feeling to your soul and body. And we want to help actually create solving problems for you. And so we can help with psoriasis, dandruff, and overly oil production, and then anything in between. And so we're gonna look at your scalp to go ahead and see what service is gonna be the best for you.
Hi, I'm Hayden, and I started coming to Focal Point about 6 months ago. I'm somebody who I need everything that they have here. They offer everything I could care about. And if you're someone who takes pride in your appearance, you want to know that you can go somewhere that's going to be safe, that you trust, and that you feel welcome, and that they care about you achieving your best self.
You have a little bit of inflammation around the follicles, and that's going to be a portion of sensitization and a little bit of the pollution actually that's going on right now.
I obviously get my hair done, and it's not long, I get some other things done too, and I need somewhere that I can go and feel like they care about how I'm going to look after.
We'll be doing a soothing treatment for you today to help bring down the inflammation and irritation, and then to help rebalance everything.
Perfect, thank you so much.
The last thing I want to remind you is this is a relaxing treatment, so make sure that you be as limp as possible. Do not help me. I want you to just be.
Miss Aurora is the best. She is like the person who is fully educated, trained in head spa, and you literally can't get head spa anywhere else. This is the only place. So, my scalp, it's dry here. I have dryness, I have like that lackluster hair, like I started having breakage because I'm blonde, and this head spa treatment is like, I almost just swore that would be okay here. So it is absolutely like a miracle. You come out, your hair is soft and shiny and beautiful, and it extends into the next month. And the more you continue with it, the more it actually treats things that are actually wrong and going on a follicle level. Why I know this, they have told me. I have become totally educated in the art of my scalp. I cannot sing the praises of Focal Point enough. I just can't. Michelle, the owner, she knows exactly who I am every time I come in here. She embraces my son. I have made friends with other people who are coming here just because we all feel so welcome. We pass through here like you're coming to your grandma's house to hang out. It's like, hey, someone's in the salon chair, someone's getting a head spa, someone's in injectables, and we all know each other. And I just can't even explain how valuable it is to have a safe space that you feel like is a one-stop shop for everything you need in your busy life, but that actually just cares about you as a person so that you really can be your best self.